Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at accessories for the Samsung Galaxy S22 and S23 Ultra. And let's face it, it's around the corner. And you're going to want to have accessories to get the most out of that phone. Today we're going to be looking at a 3-in-1 charger. What's so popular about this and what I really like about it is that not only will it charge your smartphone, right, S22, S23 Ultra as well, but it also charges two other devices. It's going to charge your earbuds, and it's also going to charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. And if there's another one, it should charge that one too. And what I love about this charger is that it not only charges Samsung devices, but I've been able to get my iPhone to charge on it as well. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, as we take a look at some of the information about this charger, you're going to see that it has several features here. First of all, it has over current protection, over voltage protection, over temperature protection. It has a breathing light indicator. It's foldable, which makes it interesting because you can actually use this as a travel charger. So I've tried this as well, and it's worked out really well because it collapses. You're going to see that in a second. And then it could work either vertically and horizontally. Now, it has charged my Fold, my Flip, and the S22 Ultra without a problem. My Pixel 7 Pro, my every Pixel version that I've had that's wirelessly charging, and then it also has done my iPhone 14 Pro as well. So it charges all these devices. And what's neat about it is that it's going to charge it at the fastest possible rate that you can find. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. And it comes with a couple accessories that we're going to highlight. So I'm going to put a couple phones here on the side, and I'm going to pull this over from the corner here. And you can see it right here now. A couple things. We'll unplug it so that's not lit up. We'll highlight, first of all, the fact that it's a foldable design. So you can see how it folds right there. And then you can see, we'll just flip this around so you can see some of the features. It has these 4 rubber feet here in the bottom. And then you can flip it up like this. And in the back here, you could put to charge some earbuds. Now, I've been able to charge here also my AirPods Pro as well as any brand. These are not just going to work with Samsung, but they're going to work with any brand. And then this comes out right here, and then this is where you're going to be able to charge your, again, Galaxy Watch 5. Now, it does come with a charging cable and also a charger. And I highly recommend that you use that one. Sometimes when you try to use another charger, it overheats the unit or doesn't charge well. You'll notice that it has this LED that's turning on all the way around it. And what's going to happen is when you connect your phone, the colors are going to change depending on what's charging. Now let me show you how this works. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these AirPod Pros, and this is going to work with any of the Samsung earbuds, and those that are going to be launched. We're going to go ahead and put it right here. I'm going to wait for it to charge. Make sure it's there, and then let's tilt it so you can see that. So you see how it's charging right there? So now that's charging. I can put my watch here to charge. Watch this. Take the watch, putting it in place right there, and then you should see that it started charging as well. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Samsung Galaxy, in this case this is my S23 Ultra or S22 Ultra, and let me just swipe all my notifications away so we can see it. And I'm going to put this here now also to charge, and it's charging as well. So all 3 devices are charging at the same time, and you'll notice the color change. Right now it's breathing kind of like in a blue color. Let me go ahead and reduce this brightness a little bit so it comes out really nice there, and you can see that how it's charging. Now what I like about this is that I've been able to charge a variety of devices on this, which is important to me, especially since I have so many devices. So I'm just going to show you a couple of the other ones that I've been able to charge. Now the first one I'm going to show you here is going to be the Samsung Galaxy Flip, and I put it on there and you can see that the color changed, right? So it's charging, and if I were, it's basically doing fast wireless charging as well, is one of the things I wanted to highlight. So it's not just doing standard wireless charging, but fast wireless charging, which is really important. Let me go ahead and tilt this over so that you can see it. And what I like about it is that even though it has these 3 things that are charging, and we'll see if we can get that view for you guys right there. I'm going to put it right here, and let's see if the message will come up and I can get that on camera. And you should see fast wireless charging right there. Right, so that came up. So I like the fact that it does that. We're going to take the Pixel, put it right here. And now the Pixel, it is, again, also wireless charging. And I got the little message there letting me know that it was. I'm going to take an iPhone, right, and I'll put it right here also to charge. And I got the charging symbol, and you notice that the color changes as well, so it charges the iPhone. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Galaxy Fold 4, put it on here as well, and it is basically charging, and it's fast wireless charging as well, so that's pretty neat. So you saw I could go through all these devices and it charges them all. 3 devices at the same time. What else can you ask for? So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.